Hi, welcome back, hello students and professionals. In this session, we're going to see business partner customer master data creation. Okay, if you look at here, business partner customer master data creation, this is what we are going to learn in S4 HANA 2023. So if you look at, we have a versions like 1511 and 1610 and 1702 and 1808, 1909 and 2000 and 2021, 22, 23. Okay, so it's the evaluation started from 2015 actually, as four keep on updating. So whatever you take, a minor updates, the process for creating BP is the same. Okay, what is the transaction for this? So the T code is BP. Okay, let's try to check this one, how we can able to create it. Okay, before going ahead, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, this is the different courses available at my end, and here I explain four scenarios about business partners. This is the place where I have explained, like so BP and customer and vendor with the same number range, and BP customer and vendor with different number ranges, and a BP customer and vendor with external number range with the same and different number range. All these scenarios I have covered this. I have given my best. If you really wanted to see your footprints for S4 HANA, you can try this course. And regularly for ECC, this is 103 hours course, continuously have been updated. And if you are not yet introduced to real time, you try this getting master to write a functional specification. This is common for all modules. The process is the same. I have given small, simpler SD examples. And S4 credit management concepts and pricing and a lot of other courses as well as. And I have one big course. So this is on idocs, especially SD for an MM consultants. If you really want it, you can give a try for this. Now, let's try to get onto the SAP system, how to create a BP now. Select the transaction called BP. Okay, go to the command prompt. Okay, so in previous video, I have already shown whatever the BP created, how you can able to modify data or change data. Now let's try to concentrate on, see, BP you can able to create in three ways. As a person, you can able to create it. As a group, you can able to create it. As an organization, you can able to create it. Person means like an individual or direct customers. We're going to call it as organization means your private limited, public limited. So under organization, you naturally you will get a customers like B2B business. If you take wholesalers, retailers, and your government institutions, okay, and your colleges and everything, whichever is registered as another business, if you are selling, that comes as an organism. Most of the times, we'll use in real time organization or person. Very less times we're going to have exposure to group actually. Okay, let's click on organization. Once you click, so this is the place where like how you are creating your customer master, right? There you're supposed to give that number range as external number range, then your BP is external number, then you have to give manually here, otherwise there is no point. Okay, this is the general way you can able to select it, you can copy and you can able to create it. What is the most important, from where you would like to consume the number range? Okay, this is controlled by your grouping actually. Okay, so but when you are trying to create your account groups and you are assigning your number ranges, and so that is the place where you are creating your customers and vendors, that is different story. But here you have to take your number ranges. I have created this number range. Okay, probably you can take this title and all these things you can able to define at configuration, probably we'll see in future. So I'm just creating the customer like Hare Krishna Private Limited. Okay, so I'm just creating. So title means you can able to give the title. Okay, and if you want, you can give the system like this. And let's try to give some So let me try with you. Okay, 5 digits I'm giving. Okay, Frankfurt. And I'm just giving this country as D. This is German country. I'm just selecting and region as 02. Okay. 02 is Hamburg. Let's try to put it Hamburg otherwise. Okay. So this is very general in nature. Okay. BP actually, this is a hook. You can say that hook, which is going to control two different role number ranges. It might be customer or vendor, any other partner for that matters. So the BP is the centralized function which is going to control this one. Okay. Previously, master data we used to have separately, that it is got integrated by using that technology called CV integration. Okay. You can try in my course, you can try to understand this one. Okay, let's try to choose the language. Okay, probably we can able to make it some fields as mandatory and all the stuff. We're having a different. So what is the basic advantage? You can able to maintain multi-address. Whereas if you come to your ECC for customer, you're going to maintain only single address. But BP, it's not like that. You can able to create, settlement address, delivery address. If you want, you can able to create n number of address. So that means that is the main functionality. Okay. And this is identification and all these things which okay, we'll see in future. Let's try to see some tabs. You got text here. If you want to give your BP type and you'd like to control the status, release or central block, you can see those things in future. Okay. I'm just simply, you just try to fill mandatory fields and save this. Okay, the number got consumed. Okay, so this is the BP. Under this, I would like to choose. So probably if I go to the change mode, I can able to choose the customer roles, which I have defined. So I defined in a G. So this finance customer. Okay, this is the general data. If you click here, company code data. So you can choose your company code. Okay, I have already defined this company code. I'm just taking, if it is internal means it will take the internal number range. Okay. So I just made some fields as mandatory. Let's make it this one, domestic and reconciliation account. Okay. This is fine. So payment method, let's choose. Okay. Let's try to save this. Okay. 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 Display this message for the business partner again. Okay. So it is asking to enter a VAT registration number. Let's do one thing. Let's close this. So let's go to the BP. So this is the BP we got created. Let me try to change it. So if I take European customer, definitely it will ask something else. I'll take this one as India. So let's try to increase one pin code. So HYV. And this one is something that the 31. Even forward this 36. Let's close this. Okay. Let's save this for minor change. I don't want to get into that, the complexity is. So let's create a customer. Let's go to the company code. Let's give this. Okay, let's try to save. So now the customer got created. Previously it was internal, right? So now, so we gave intelligence, like your regular account group, how you are creating, you have to create the same thing. On top of it, BP came actually. Okay, this is picked by your system. So let's try to create a customer role also. So okay, once you give the sales area, it will active. I'm just filling all the mandatory fields. Probably whoever they're learning ECC, this is new thing, but if someone knows S4 HANA, it doesn't make any surprise for them. Okay. Okay, let's try to get another tax classification. Okay. So this is what we have created. Okay, this company code level, the same thing. We're trying to extend it for sales area. That means, there is something called VD01 and FD01, right? Okay. So this is what it is got created. So now let's go to, if you wanted to show you XD02, if you press enter, for this customer, it is going. See, this is BP number, this is customer number. Don't confuse. We have some scenarios like customer, BP and vendor supposed to be the same. Okay. So that's all for BP. I think I have already shown in previous, I think like some time ago, I have shown this one also. Okay. If you want BP full learning, you can try this course. Don't waste your money. Don't spend 30K, 40K. They don't have not much surprising changes in S4 HANA. Need not spend. Don't waste your money. You can learn some through Udemy or something like that. Okay. Anyhow, let me go to the BP. I think I have done some videos. So I think I have done some video. BP master data creation, 33 minutes. Okay, master data you can try. This is for this is master data creation and that is BP creation. Go through it. These two videos. And if you wanted to learn that some scenarios and real-time basis, you can try my course. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lots of love. I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself. Life is not fun always.